mega cock up. Oh, I've done it all wrong.
Hi guys, Greg here, and today I really need a haircut. First things first. Can I pencil in sometime this week? Great stuff. Today we've got some footage from a couple of weeks, month and a half. Time flies at the moment, doesn't it? 4 months! Okay, so a long time ago, I have a very small room, and it was kind of cramped and not much space for anything, until one day my girlfriend, unfortunately I have to give her the credit, came up with a great idea of why don't we just put the bed in the air? And my dad is a carpenter, and so we managed to make that happen. I mean, say we, it was mainly him, but I assisted a little bit. As always, subscribe, comment down below, like the video, really helps, and you can catch me streaming on Twitch on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Let's get going. Go on then, what's happening today then, Dad?
Hang on. Are you filming now?
Yeah. What's happening today then, Dad?
What's happening today? The pallet bed is going sky high. Watch this space. Oh, plenty of room. Plenty of room to get the door open. Okay. That's alright. Right, okay, fine. So, is it recording or not?
Yeah.
Oh, it's on now.
Okay.
Oh, you have to edit it. These are these super expensive screws. Screws cost nearly as much as the wood, didn't they?
Yeah. So first up, Dad set about taking off the old frame of the bed. So I suppose funny story how the bed came together in the first place. When I moved to this flat, it was the first flat I've lived in London that was actually unfurnished, and so I had to get a bed from somewhere at some point. So I'd ordered the mattress from IKEA, good old IKEA. And then Dad said, well, I could put together a bed, but you know, I'd need some like pallets or something. And this is as we were leaving the flat one day, and just outside one of the shops that was in the nearby area was some couple of pallets. So Dad, being the thrifty guy that he is, went into the shop and asked were the pallets being used for anything, and they said no. And so Dad took them and in the car park made a bed. So that was handy. But yeah, so here he's just taking off the old frame of the bed.
We set an extension lead up. It's through the front door. Well, I was going to put the chops on the roof. I could stand on the stairs and cut them. So, get some shoes on and we'll set ourselves up outside.
Do you want to take some in?
Yeah, those two bits are going. Okay, one. So then what I think we'll do, we'll put that bit on there like that. Okay, as well. Mm-hmm. Because we need that extra thick, because bear in mind we had that screwed on like that before to make the width of the bed. Yeah. To make it as wide as the bed. So if we put this bit and that thickness is actually thicker than one of those side on. So it'll make the actual bed frame just a little bit bigger, which will, bear in mind you've got to try and change the fitted sheet on this up in the air, haven't you? Yeah. So, how many screws have I got in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, that's it. Bear in mind it's got this right, that supports it. Okay, so let's turn it over. Oh, that's plus net again. Oh, it's nice, Juliet. Hello, Juliet. I just said if that's plus net again, they can piss off. Friend like me, which is from Aladdin. So we need a piece to go in there, and we need a piece to go on the end there now, to block it off, and then we put the legs on it, okay? So if we're going to put 4 legs on it, I don't think we need to put 6 legs on it. Right, so there we've got pallet, mattress. That's too high there, isn't it? You don't want to tie that, you don't want to try and do that bit that way. These slats that are going to go, like a bar there and a bar there, maybe 2 of them, maybe just 1 above the mattress. So there's no chance of you rolling out of bed at night. But it's how, obviously I need to leave these ones long, so that, but what I don't want to do, we don't want to lift the bed up and start screwing them together and find out it's too long. It's going to be a bugger to try and saw them off in the air. So I want to try and get the feel for it now. We know how much the bed is, bed base, we know it's that, right? And we know how big the mattress is. So how much above the mattress do you think you'd need as a bit of guarding?
Wouldn't it be sort of shoulder to shoulder?
Well, that's huge, that's massive. Shoulder to shoulder is huge.
Well, yeah, but not quite like.
Over halfway. Yeah, because then it was over halfway. So if it was over half your body, alright, so if you stuck up 300 mil from the top of the mattress. So we know that the mattress is 180, yeah? And we know that the bed is base is 400 and 440, and this ought to be 300. 2, 5, 6.
4 minus 1, that's 3, quick maths.
620. So 620 above there to the top of the thing. That's sort of starting to sound about right. Yeah? So glue and screw those together to make it like a T like that. Okay? So from there to there, we want 620 above that, don't we? 620? Yeah. Let's see what that looks like. That goes on there. You just don't want these to separate. So. They would be. And I might crash. It's like wood. Stronger than wood. That'll never split down that glue line. If it broke, it would break inside. It break here. Glue's stronger than the wood.
Really?
By a long shot. Yeah, you'd never break open a glue joint with decent glue. Okay, so there's 1. So that's 1 of the outer legs. Okay, so that's going to go up the front, like that, on that position there. Okay?
It's all going to plan.
Well, it's the most organic thing ever. There's no sort of measuring or it's just like hold this bit up and that'll do, and this goes under there. Oh, I can't visualise it. That'll be alright. So I hope it works alright. Right, my square. Bang. Next thing is, the trick is, how are we going to lift it? How are we going to do it? Do we...
No.
I wonder whether we're going to have to take the desk out to be able to put 2 legs down like that and then lace it on those and lift it up in the air and then go behind it and put the other legs on there. Once it's standing, it's fine. And we can put the bracing all round it. It's heavy already, isn't it? Yeah. The pallets alone weigh quite a bit, don't they?
Like just turn it upside down.
I don't think we can turn it all. We can't turn it all over with the. Oh no, something else turning it right over.
If the legs are on it,
How the legs?
long.
There.
Sure, if you've got the door closed, it could be over there.
Because the legs are quite long.
So just
You've got to, but you can't rest it on the, you can't lean it and just sort of, push it up and make any because it's going to snap it. So
yes.
you have to sort of lift it around the leg, then the leg
Yes.
can't touch the ground at any point.
And you're saying you won't ever do that.
Just lifting it. This is heavy.
This is crazy heavy. Thank you. Right. It's heavy, isn't it? Right. Okay, right. Right, okay, so there's 1. And then this one is going down the far end. Right, that's it. Right now, I'm going to get those on the floor. This is going to be the tricky thing, isn't it? We've really got to just lift it up in the air like that. Okay, so if we go back to back, like this. Yeah, so like we're going like that. Let's get rid of my pencil. Right. Okay then. Yeah. Very good hand hold there. Yeah, best to hold it. Oh, I don't think we can lift it, are we? Okay. guys. Yes. I can't see what I'm doing behind me. Okay. Are we on the door handle? We can't put it. Off. Right. Now, let's make a cock up here. Didn't put the rail on it, did I? I can see it's complete on the piss. That shouldn't have been there. That was going on there, and I've still got the piece of wood to go on the side of it. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to put these two legs on here now.
Yeah.
Okay?
So get at the right height.
So this is the right height here. Oh, bloody door handle. I was worried that I couldn't see. I don't know if I've done that, but I was thinking I was going to bang the radiator off the wall. I don't know if I've done that.
I don't know.
Is it dent or is it just a scuff?
It's the paint.
Right, okay.
That's right. At least we got it.
Hey, no! Why do we leave it like that? Don't need any guarding in there because you'd always roll in the floor.
Yeah,
How about that?
exactly. Yeah.
Stick on the piss all the time. Yeah.
We're doing a video update.
Right, okay. Greg, could we move it away from here so I can...
Greg! You should get used to that noise.
You do, it probably doesn't live on here anyway, so... But, it hammers it in, yeah, because you'd never, the battery power would be never strong enough to turn it all in without drilling a hole, so... This is what it's doing.
It's hammering.
It's hammering it. It drills, it turns it, but it hammers it as well. It's the jarring actually, it's all that helps get it in. It stops the friction, so...
That's so cool.
Okay,
You're so lucky.
that's good. Right, okay, so we want to do the same on this side then. So if we push it that way now. Yeah, look how that's sniffing that side up now.
Yeah.
It's made a huge difference, isn't it? Oh, it's such a nice smell. Oh,
What?
just got a waft through that window there.
Bakery.
Yeah.
And then green.
The neighbours with their...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's such nice smell as well, yeah. It's really good screen, isn't it? Right, that's a bit there like that, so that's got to come off there.
Oh, that's so accurate. I wouldn't even think to do that.
What?
I'd just nail it on and be like,
Well,
done
that's the
it!
thing, is as long as you get the legs roughly right to start with and then put the braces on, you can then connect the two bits together and they're fairly upright then. So, you've got to have a little attempt to start with. So. That's good. Right, this one here. Okay.
And there we have it. That was the conversion of my bed and, well, just room in general, really. I am very lucky. I think it turned out great. I'm greatly enjoying all my newfound space. That's been a big help. Dad's actually started his own channel recently, doing some sort of like woodworking, carpentry, like tips and things. I'll link that down below, so go and check that out. That's all for now. I will see you soon. Bye bye.